Good morning. Today we will start economic development. Economic development. Now, what is economic development? It refers to increase in national income accompanied by fall in poverty, reduction in income inequalities, and unemployment. In economic growth, we have discussed that it refers to national income, after that per capita output, all those were there. But here, it related to national income, but there should be fall in the poverty and reduction in income inequalities and unemployment. This means it covers a wide range. Scope is very wide. Clear? Because not only national income, you'll have to check the poverty is going down or not, there is a reduction in income inequality or not, and unemployment is eradicated or not. If all these things are happening, then only we can say economic development took place. Clear? Now, following changes takes place during the process of economic development. All right. During the process of economic development, these are the changes takes place. What are the changes? The first one, contribution of the agricultural sector in national income decreases. Clear? Second, contribution of industry and service sector in national income increases. Now, agriculture, obviously, development, you'll have to show the development where the poverty will go down. Now, to reduce that one, you'll have to grow the employment also. Employment will increase. So, industry, you need more and more industry where people can work. This means they will earn and national income will increase. But few people will be there working in agriculture. They all will be leaving and they will be joining industrial sector. And because of that, agricultural sector, national income contribution will decrease. Next, third one, percentage of people engaged in the industry and service sector will increase. Obviously, more and more people will be engaged in industry and in a service providing sector like bank, schools, all these are service sector where they will be engaged. Hospital, all this comes under service sector. Now what will happen? Because of this, when percentage of people will engage in this one, so in agriculture, in agricultural sector, people will decrease because they are the people who will be joining industry and the service sector when they will get chance. Next one, urbanization will take place. All right, why? Where industries, where the producer, they set up the industry, they make good road, good electricity facilities will be there, everything, and a market will be there, school will be there, that area will become urban area. And people who are working in that industry, they will migrate from the rural area and they will stay in that particular area, and which area is known as urban area. And people, when they migrate to urban area from the rural area, is known as urbanization. So this means urbanization will take place. Clear? We can say, now these all are there, now we can say economic development is equals to economic growth, what we studied, economic growth, plus qualitative change of economy. What is qualitative change? Like social structure, all right, institutions, etc. Many are there. Now these will be added in the economic growth, then it will become economic development. Otherwise, it will be termed as economic growth. Now this point you remember forever. Economic development is economic growth, but economic growth cannot be economic development. Now understood? We can say economic development means economic growth took place, but economic growth has taken place. We cannot say economic development has taken place. Clear? Now we completed this chapter also. We'll move on to next chapter in next video.